Hello everyone. Welcome to our new topic about winter seasonal flowering plants. Winter is the best time to grow many different species of beautiful blooming annuals. The seeds of winter flowering annuals are sown in October-November. Some seedlings almost hibernate during the cold months of December and January and start growing as soon as the spring sets in India. Flowers are colorful, fragrant, and exude the joy of life. The most popular type of home gardens in India is annuals, for example, ones that are raised from seeds, grow, bloom, produce seed, and exhaust themselves during a season. These seasonal flowering plants have the advantage of a tremendous variety of color, size, and form. They occupy the garden space in less time and can be easily replaced. Annuals can be grown in beds, herbaceous borders, as an edging for window boxes, pots, etc. Flowers and seasons are intimately bound to each other. Most of the flowers are season-specific. Though some flowers are found throughout the year, there are some not particularly affected by changing seasons, viz. Alstroemeria, Anthurium, Aster, Boulevardia, Carnation, Chrysanthemum, Gerbera daisy, lily, Asiatic lily. But lots of flowering plants are available to grow in winter in India. Let's know about the top 15 winter season flowers in India. Number 1. Marigold. Tagati species or marigold, an Indian staple and a must-have in every Indian garden. Marigolds are the foremost readily available plants around India. They bloom profusely, adding an upscale burst of yellows and oranges wherever they are planted. They are considered auspicious in Indian households and may be used for various purposes. Number 2. Chrysanthemum. It is believed that the winter period is the ideal time to grow a chrysanthemum plant. Its flowers bloom well in cold climates. Chrysanthemum can be grown using two methods of cutting and seeding. Choose your favorite color and you will find the flowers of chrysanthemum. The flowers last at least 1 month. If you want to see your garden bloom forever, choose the chrysanthemum flower plant. Number 3. Dahlia. Dahlias are annual plants that will flower almost throughout the year. They are available in various flower colors, scents, and shapes. They require minimum sunlight, which allows them to thrive in winter and dark spaces. Even though the Dahlia flowering plants thrive in winter, it is important to maintain routine care and maintenance exercise. Number 4. Calendula. Also known as pot marigold, the calendula flowers thrive in cold climatic conditions. They can also handle hot temperatures and endure sunlight. They produce beautiful yellow-orange flowers that augment the warmth of interior spaces. Number 5. Petunia. The petunia flowers are some of the most common flower plants you will find in every enthusiastic gardener's collection. They are perennial plants that also come in a variety of sizes, shapes, and colors. They are easy to grow and maintain. All that is needed is a bit of space that receives enough sunlight and fertile soil. The petunia flowers are some of the most decorative plants to have. Number 6. Pansy. Pansies are winter bloomers and they can even survive harsh winter conditions. They have stunning butterfly-shaped flowers that also come in a plethora of colors. These low-growing plants can grow well during a shade, adding further to the design of your garden. Number 7. Aster. The aster comes in different sizes and colors. Originally, the aster flowering plants are native to South America. They also thrive in the Indian winter. In addition to the cold temperatures, they also tolerate hot temperatures. Give the asters a fighting chance and make sure that the pot and soil are well draining. Number 8. Carnation. Also known as pinks. These plants have colorful and fragrant flowers. They are also perennial flowers. Make sure to plant the flowers in well-drained and fertile soil. Round clusters of beautiful flowers on top perfect the look wherever you place them. Number 9. Snapdragons or dog flower. Although the scientific name is Antirrhinum, we think it's super cool that it is commonly called snapdragon. The snapdragon plant prefers to grow in cooler temperatures and comes in various colors. Native to North America and Europe, these plants can also be cultivated in India and can grow anywhere depending on the variety. Number 10. Nasturtium. The thing so spectacularly good about Nasturtium, other than its vibrant colors, is that its flowers and leaves are edible. Their pleasant fragrance and vibrant colors make them great ground cover plants. They are also good for fresh cuts. What is more, children love having them around. Number 11. Zinnia. You can grow zinnias in the months of February-March in India, as they require a slightly warm temperature to grow. Moreover, they can be a great addition to your garden because of the bright colored flowers they bring in that simply makes them one of the best winter flowering plants in India. Number 12. Gerbera. Gerbera is a stunning winter flower native to India and is typically used to decorate engagement and wedding ceremonies in India. This flower is costly and its flowers are sold in markets to decorate the space. We suggest you find a Gerbera flower, dry it, and use it to seed your next plantation. If you want to grow the Gerbera flower quickly, the soil should be well drained and moist. For many qualities, we found it as one of the best winter flowers in India. Number 13. Phlox. Phlox is an Indian winter flowering plant that has beautiful tiny flowers. This plant is available in numerous colors that give you many options. The flowering plant does not require any care. Its flowers are like vinca. However, it blooms in a clump. The best method to plant phlox is to mix various shades of seeds into one pot. Number 14. Salvia. Salvia is another most beautiful winter flowering plant that grows in India. Salvia flowers are larger in height and have appealing flower buds. For growing the salvia flower plant, seed proliferation is ideal, and you will be able to easily get the seeds for the salvia plant nearby the nursery. When planting, ensure that vermicompost and soil are both fine and smooth. It is quick to grow, and within 1 month, it grows to be about 4 to 5 inches tall. Number 15. Gazania. Gazania is an excellent flowering plant for winter. If you grow one of them in your garden, soon it will grow into a variety of plants. It's a tough plant that does not require much attention. It only requires plenty of light and space to flourish.